All right, in this video, I'm going to test Mold Armor Easy Deck, Fence, and Patio Wash versus this very deteriorated and spunky looking piece of driftwood. Now, I found this piece of driftwood while rock hounding with one of my best friends, and it had grown around a rock, and I figured it, to me, is the perfect size for some like hearth or mantle decor. So I have some of this deck wash and I just follow the instructions. I'm absolutely saturating this thing. I'm doing it with plenty of protection. I have nitrile gloves. I actually am wearing a mask, my full respirator, and I'm doing it over a plastic tray to reuse some of the material. Now, some of this is time-lapsed already or sped up, but I did a cycle of, I think, about 15 minutes, and I did this process 3 times, and I rinsed in between and kind of let it dry out in the sun. And as you can see, it did really brighten it up. It was very easy to use. I'm not a huge fan of the overall aroma if you're not wearing a respirator, which is why I recommend one, especially if you're working in a shop environment. But as you can see, it did as advertised. It really killed off the microbial growth that was in this thing. It definitely neutralized the creek stank, so to speak. And so here I am just locking it in with clear coat. Ironically, yes, the clear coat darkens it back up to a little bit of a more mucky color, but it dries out as it flashes and evaporates or off gases. So all in all, I'd give it like a, I don't know, a 7 or an 8 out of 10. I mean, it's a pretty easy experience. The only thing I don't like is what to do with this stuff when you're done, how to dispose of it. And I'm not a huge fan of chemicals when you don't need to. I say that as I spray rattle can clear coat. So take it as you will. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If not, the simple answer is yes, deck wash works to help clarify, clean up, and concentrate the real color of driftwood outside of microbial growth. All right, you guys, if you like what you see, consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing. And like I said, if you have questions, let us know. If not, have a great day. See ya.